Hi, I'm Blake Zaccagnino, and I'm an attorney who works on mostly personal injury cases. And the one thing that I wanted to talk about today was what a deposition is and what you should expect or could expect in most depositions that happen in the standard trip and fall case or car accident case. So, a deposition is a very important part of the litigation process. It's usually is the first time that the attorneys have an opportunity to sit down with the parties of the lawsuit and also the non-parties who may have been witnesses to an accident or whatever happened and question them under oath. And generally, what comes out of that is a transcript that has every question and every answer given. That is a preview of what a person is going to say at trial. And that transcript can be used as evidence in a motion or could be used for impeachment purposes at trial. And it really is how the attorneys frame their cases and how they lock people into their answers. And a few things to expect in the standard car accident, trip and fall, run of the mill deposition is that you'll be questioned in a few different areas. Those areas will include most likely your background information, your employment history, your educational background, as I said, your family background, anything and everything that you can think about for background information purposes. Then generally they will shift to talking about how the accident took place and digging into the nitty-gritty and details of how the accident happened. And then they will likely shift to a person's injuries, how it has affected their life, and what activities have been more difficult or how their life has changed as a result of the injuries that they're claiming happened in the accident. A few things to expect as well is that the attorney questioning you will probably remind you that it's important to always tell the truth. That's the number one most important thing is to tell the truth. The second thing that you'll probably be reminded of is to make sure that the questioning attorney is fully done asking you a question before you give an answer, because there's going to be a court reporter there that's going to be taking down every question and answer given as people are talking and as it's going on. And if there's people talking over each other, it makes for a poor transcript and the court reporter will be extremely angry at you. So it'll be crucial to just let the person finish asking a question before giving an answer. And they will provide you with that courtesy. And that's especially important with many of these depositions still happening over Zoom. And another tidbit is you will likely be reminded that you shouldn't be guessing at anything. You can provide reasonable estimates to the best of your knowledge, but plain guessing will lead you down a path that will get you in trouble. So these are just some ideas in general, tips and tricks per se of what to expect going into your deposition. Have a good night.